50 years of rising global equity markets. How long can this trend continue? To answer this question, it's important to understand why equity markets have been rising now for so many decades. And don't get me wrong, in between you have terrible years, equity markets breaking down 20–30% because of recessions, crises, you name it. But if you look at the chart, which shows the development of the value of the top global companies, so it's a broad global equity index, and you see how the value develops over time. You have strong volatility in between, but over the long term you have a very steep rising trend. And if you understand where this increase in equity markets has been coming from, then it's much easier to get an idea how this might continue. If you hold a portfolio of global stocks, companies, then you share in the profit of those companies, what the underlying companies are earning in real life. What an individual company will be earning over the next years is very difficult to forecast. But if you look at the aggregate, the whole economy worldwide, the top companies worldwide, their profit development is strongly linked to how fast their market is growing. And their market is the world economy. The world population is still expected to grow over the next decades. More people are consuming more, are buying more, are producing more. Plus, global technology is improving. So the same people will be able to produce more in the future because of rising productivity. So if you look at what is the total market where companies will take their profits from, the world economy. If population is growing, it will be larger in 10 years from now. If productivity improves, technology improves, it will be larger 10 years from now. Plus, the nominal figure of this world economy, the sum in US dollars, in euros, will also be larger in 10 years if simply the price level has risen. You call this inflation. So surprisingly enough, also inflation helps to increase the total market figure, and a part of this is the profit of companies. So let's take this together. In 10 years, the global market, the world production figure will be larger than now. Therefore also the share that companies take from this as profits will be larger. So your companies will be earning more 10 years from now, making them also more valuable. Therefore, equity market trend will continue to rise also in the future as long as you have population growth, output rising, and positive inflation figures. By the way, you can make sure that not only the world economy is growing, and therefore the equity market, but also that our YouTube channel is growing. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and like our channel. All the best. See you again soon.